Agat and welcome to Ceacht a Seacht, or Lesson 7 of the beginner course of Gaeilge Inniu. Today we'll be talking about what languages you speak and how well you speak them.
An bhfuil Gaeilge agat?
Tá Gaeilge líofa agam. An bhfuil mórán Gaeilge agat féin.
Tá is cainteoir dúchais Gaeilge maith.
Go maith. An bhfuil teanga eile agat?
Tá cúpla Fraincise agam ach sin an méid.
Now we'll go through those again, leaving gaps for you to fill in the blanks yourself.
An bhfuil Gaeilge agat? An bhfuil Gaeilge agat?
Tá Gaeilge líofa agam. An bhfuil mórán Gaeilge agat féin. Tá Gaeilge líofa agam. An bhfuil mórán Gaeilge agat féin.
Tá is cainteoir dúchais Gaeilge maith. Tá is cainteoir dúchais Gaeilge maith.
Go maith. An bhfuil teanga eile agat. Go maith. An bhfuil teanga eile agat.
Tá cúpla Fraincise agam ach sin an méid. Tá cúpla Fraincise agam ach sin an méid.
How did you find that one? Here are some words and phrases you might have picked up from that conversation. Gaeilge, if you didn't know already, is the word for Irish, the language. Fraincise is the word for French in Irish. Cainteoir dúchais means native speaker. And lastly, to say that you speak a language, you start with tá and finish with agam. So, tá Fraincise agam means I speak French. Or tá Gaeilge agam, I speak Irish. This literally translates to I have Irish or I have French, something we also say in English in Ireland.
Now you may have noticed back in lesson 3 something we had when we spoke about your job. We may use the same sentence structure to say I'm a native speaker as we did for I'm a teacher. We start with is, we then follow it with the noun that you're using to describe yourself, and then we finish with méid. Mar sin, so it's cainteoir dúchais méid is I am a native speaker, and it's múntóir méid I am a teacher.
Well done, you've just come to the end of lesson 7 of the beginner course of Gaeilge Inniu. Best of luck at the rest. Gnairi leat, slán.
Gnair live, slán go fóill.